Hey everyone, welcome back. Did Vita Mahjong open but then freeze on a completely green screen showing just the word Vita and never load the actual game? Here's the fix. First, swipe up and force close the Vita Mahjong completely from your recent apps. Then, reopen it and give it a full 60 seconds. The green Vita splash screen is the loading screen, and on a slow or congested connection, it sometimes hangs there instead of processing. If it's still green after a full minute, go to your settings, then toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds, then turn it back off completely to reset your network connection. Then reopen the app fresh. If green screen keeps appearing, press and hold the Mahjong icon app, then tap remove app, delete app, then delete the app completely to fully uninstall it. Next, go to your app store and search for Vita Mahjong. Then tap on it and tap get to reinstall it completely fresh. After reinstalling, go to your settings, then go to general, then go to software update and confirm your iOS is current, since this green screen freeze is reported more often to an outdated iOS version. So all you've got to do is force close and give it a minute, reset your network with airplane mode, then delete and reinstall fresh. The green screen clears and the game loads. Subscribe for more Vita Mahjong fixes.